National leaders, led by Deputy President Kithure Kindiki, gathered in Olkalou, Nyandarua County to honor the late Olkalou Member of Parliament David Njuguna Kiaraho, as calls for Mount Kenya unity took center stage during the ceremony. The leaders emphasized that unity remains the key to unlocking critical development in the region. Kindiki cautioned that numbers without unity mean little, especially with the by-election looming, and urged residents to reject violence. Tourism Cabinet Secretary Rebecca Miano reassured locals that ongoing development projects will be completed, while National Assembly Majority Leader Kimani Ichung'wah warned against political optimism. Ichung'wah also revealed that arrests had been made over a fuel import scheme that could have driven up prices for Kenya.
So kwa nini unataka kuleta vita kama kwamba hii nafasi ambayo Mungu amekupatia ya kushikilia is life and death and is the beginning and the end? So tuweke amani vile tunaenda katika uchaguzi, and I hope the church you support me with this. Tuweke amani, tujue kuna kesho. After the election, the next day, tutabaki tukiwa ndugu na dada na tukiwa jamii.
When the government said they shall deal and not talk about corruption, the arrest and impending prosecution of those who wanted to bring in expensive fuel into our country is testament of that will to fight corruption in our country. Those who want to scavenge on that, we allow them, but the government must protect the people of Kenya.
Church leaders are now shifting the national conversation from protest to the ballot box, urging young people to register as voters ahead of the 2027 elections. Speaking in Meru, Bishop Edward Mburia reminded the youth that real change is not achieved on the streets alone, but at the polling station through active civic participation. He also took aim at politicians over rising toxic rhetoric, warning that insults and division are setting a harmful example for a generation already demanding better and more accountable leadership.
Leadership is about modeling, and leadership is about what? Setting an example. And so the biggest question to ask is, when these guys are insulting one another, the way they're insulting each other, what example are they showing?
Still on matters elections, questions are emerging over IEBC's directive requiring pre-2012 voters to update their details with residents in Kiambu County, warning that the move could create confusion ahead of the 2027 elections. Led by lawyer Wanjiku Ngochi, locals say the Independent Election Boundaries Commission must provide clear communication to avoid mistrust among voters. While still encouraging voter registration, they are calling for greater transparency and stronger grassroots engagement, warning that unclear processes rather than politics alone could undermine voter confidence ahead of the polls.
Ni nini imefanyika? Kuko na mpaka rumors ati kuko na kits ambazo 𝐄𝐚𝐬𝐿 kits zimepotea. Zimeenda wapi? Hii tunaona ni kama ni njama ya hii serikali yetu kutaka kuiba kura ya mwananchi, ndio tuweze kufinyilika na tuweze kuamua labda hatutapiga kura, kwa sababu hata tukipiga kura itaibiwa.
In sports, over 8,000 young players have convened at Mangu High School in Kiambu County for the 2026 Kenya National Youth and Cadet Chess Championships, which began on Saturday. The three-day event has attracted participants from across the country, all competing in 12 categories as they battle for the top honors and national pride. The championship also serves as national trials, with top performance set to be selected to represent Kenya in upcoming international competitions, including the African Youth Chess Championships in Kampala, Uganda next month. According to Chess Kenya President Bernard Wanjala, the tournament is crucial in grooming future international masters as Kenya quietly builds a stronger presence in regional chess competition.
We expect that Kenya will maintain its dominance in the championship where it won last year. And also, we want also to identify players who will fly our national flag in the World Youth, which the first edition will be held in Georgia in the month of June, and also the second edition in Italy, where we will have the World Youth. And of course, the Commonwealth, which also will be happening in the month of May.
And that's it from the Eastleigh Voice News Desk. I'm Zainab Said.